Managing multiple countries can feel overwhelming, especially when you're handling payroll, compliance, and contracts across different regions. But with Deel, it's never been easier to manage international teams and freelancers, all from one platform. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how Deel can streamline managing multiple countries, saving you time, money, and headache. Deel lets you onboard, pay, and manage employees or contractors anywhere in the world, all while ensuring you're compliant with local laws and regulations. It's an all-in-one solution for businesses expanding internationally, especially for those managing teams across different countries, whether you're in the US and hiring in Europe, or in Asia and working with freelancers in the Americas. Deel simplifies everything for you. One of the first things you'll notice about Deel is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to managing teams internationally, Deel's dashboard makes it incredibly easy to navigate. You can see all your contracts, payments, and compliance documents in one place. There's no need for multiple software platforms or complex spreadsheets. Deel consolidates everything into one easy-to-manage platform. When you start hiring across multiple countries, Deel automatically adapts to the local laws. It ensures you're compliant with tax laws, employment laws, and benefit structures in each country. No more worrying about accidentally missing something that could lead to legal issues down the road. Deel helps you set up compliant contracts, calculate taxes automatically, and even send out required benefits. Deel also makes payroll a breeze. You can pay contractors or full-time employees in their local currencies, and Deel will take care of the conversion and international payments. All you have to do is set up the payment preferences for each person, and Deel will handle the rest. It also handles local tax withholdings, saving you time and reducing errors. If you're managing teams spread out globally, Deel helps you stay on top of contracts and payments no matter where your team is located. With Deel's automatic reminders, you won't miss any payment deadlines or contract renewals. You can also generate reports with a few clicks, helping you stay organized and audit ready. If you're handling payroll in multiple countries, Deel even lets you customize compensation structures by region. Whether it's setting different salary levels, adding bonuses, or including benefits like health insurance, Deel makes it easy to adjust for each country's norms and expectations. Another great feature is Deel's ability to manage remote teams. It doesn't matter if you're hiring someone for a short-term project or bringing someone on full-time. Deel lets you manage all contracts remotely, making it easy to send contracts for signatures and manage updates electronically. This means no more printing, scanning, or faxing. Everything is done online and in compliance with local digital signatures laws. You might be wondering, how do I get started? Well, Deel offers a free trial, which gives you access to the platform's features and helps you get a feel for how it works. You can dive in, explore the dashboard, and start setting up your first international contracts. And by using the exclusive link below, you'll get an extended free trial, which gives you even more time to explore all of Deel's features. Managing multiple countries with Deel isn't just about handling payments or paperwork. It's about empowering your global team to work seamlessly together. Deel makes it easier for you to scale internationally while keeping everything running smoothly from one place. Make sure to check out the link in the description to get your exclusive extended trial. You can start managing international teams, payroll, and contracts completely risk-free today. Don't forget to click the first link for your extended free trial of Deel.